पाकिस्तान सुपर लीग का तीसरा एडिशन जारी है। दुनिया भर के खिलाड़ी तो इसमें अपनी सलाहियतों के जौहर दिखा ही रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान के जूनियर प्लेयर्स भी और पाकिस्तान के खिलाड़ी भी इस लीग में अपनी भरपूर सलाहियतें दिखा रहे हैं। कराची किंग्स के कोच और पाकिस्तान के हेड कोच मिकी आर्थर इस वक्त मेरे साथ हैं। उनसे बात करते हैं कि किस तरह देख रहे हैं वो PSL के तीसरे एडिशन को और इनसे इस एडिशन से कौन सा नया टैलेंट भी उनको अब तक नजर आया। मिकी, थर्ड एडिशन, competition level has increased. How you rate the level of competitiveness in this league as compared to other leagues?
I think the level of competition here is extremely high. I was just talking to Kevin Peterson the other night and he rated it bowling attacks. If you look at the bowling attacks of every team, the best competition he's played in. One would question, I guess, the batting depth of a lot of teams, and hence a lot of teams have got overseas batsmen. But the quality is outstanding. It's a fantastic competition to be part of and just going from strength to strength. And the best thing it does is it exposes the young Pakistan boys to international talent and the intensity of playing international cricket. So that's got to be good.
And just you mentioned the young Pakistan players getting exposure. In first season we got Hassan Ali, then we got Shadab, even Fakhar got the limelight from this particular edition. How important it is for this type of players to share dressing room with the legends like KP or to get mentorship with Sir Viv? How important it is for these youngsters?
It's very important, Faizan. For those guys to be learning from players like that is amazing. I mean, I just watched within our team, you got the likes of Colin Ingram, Joe Depp, and they're just giving back. The youngsters are with them all the time. They're talking to the youngsters, and that's kind of what we want. We want our young players to be learning off the best players around the world. So it's been fantastic, and I think it's really good for Pakistan cricket going forward. And
do you see any new talent emerging from this edition for Pakistan?
I'm looking. I'm watching quite hard. I obviously don't want to put any names to put any undue pressure on anybody, but I've seen one or two guys, but there's no standout like Hassan Ali or Shadab or Fakhar Zaman just yet. But the competition's still young, so I'm hoping that we pick up one or two young players along the way.
Are you surprised to see Shahid Afridi looking so energetic in the field, taking extraordinary catches? Are you surprised to see him?
No, I'm not actually, because I know he's a very competitive guy. So no, I'm not. That's just what Shahid Afridi does, and he's brought a level of competition to the squad that has been fantastic. So no, I'm not surprised, and he's still got that desire. He still wants to win games, and still wants to perform. He's got a lot of personal pride, and that's fantastic.
You have always talked about improving fielding standards in Pakistan team, and Shahid has actually showed that type of standard that you require from Pakistani bowlers. Do you want him to reconsider his decision?
No, Shahid's made his decision. He's done. But it's so good to see. It's so good to see the young players, and it's so good to see the fielding. I thought the fielding standards around the PSL have been absolutely amazing. They've put the Big Bash to shame. The catches, the ground fielding, and when I look at that, it shows the culture we're trying to create at the national level is permeating down, and that's got to be good for Pakistan cricket. So I'm very, very, very happy.